Hi everyone and good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, today I am going to share with you something different. You know, today's video is going to be very honest, a little personal because I want to talk about something that many of us many of us feel but don't always say openly. Okay? Yesterday one of my subscribers told me, please work on your pronunciation. When I heard this, I felt a little uncomfortable. Maybe you can understand this feeling when someone point out your mistake. It is sometimes hurt a little, but after sometimes I I sat quietly and thought about it. Okay, then I realized something very important. This advice is not negative. This is actually helpful. So today I want to say that I am really thankful for this suggestion because not everyone tells you the truth, because not everyone advise you. Only those people give you honest feedback who really want you to improve. So, first of all, thank you to that subscriber and thank you to all of you who support me and guide me. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Many people think that pronunciation is very difficult. They feel shy, they feel nervous, and they avoid speaking English. Maybe you also feel the same. Sometimes we think, what if I say something wrong? What if I say something wrong? Or what if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something, guys, very clearly. This fear is normal. Normal. Every learner feels this at same point. Actually, the situation is going on about me with me. Okay, even I feel this sometimes. But if we stop speaking and we stop writing or speaking or talking because of fear, then we will never improve. Pronunciation is not something we pronunciation is not something we are born with. It is something we learn step by step to speak properly and clearly. We learned by listening to others, repeating words, and practicing every day, every single day. Okay. In the same way, we can improve our English pronunciation too. Now, the question is, how can we improve it? This step is listening. You listening, you listening is very important. When you listen carefully to good English speakers, you start understanding how words are pronounced pronounced. Okay, I am unable to speak this word. Pronunciation means pronounced. You can watch YouTube videos, movies, or even short clips. Try to listen not for fun but also for learning. The second step. The second step is repeating. Don't just listen, pause the video and repeat when you hear. Try to copy the speaker. At first, it may feel strange, but slowly it will become easier. Third step. Okay. The third step is practice. Practice is the key to practice is the key to improvement. Even if you practice for 10 minutes every single day, it will make a big difference. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Another helpful method is recording yourself. I know many people don't learn hearing their own voice, but trust me, it really helps. When you listen to your own voice, you can understand your mistake and correct them. Okay? And also focus on small sounds. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't try to speak too fast. That's why I am speaking today very slow. Many people think that speaking fast means good English, but that is not true. Clear speaking is always better than fast speaking. If you speak slowly, people will understand you better. Now, I want to talk about something very important: mistake. Please don't be afraid of mistake. Mistakes are a part of learning. If if you never make mistake, you will never learn. Every expert was once a beginner. So give yourself permission to make mistakes and learn from them. If someone corrects you, don't feel bad. Instead, feel thankful. And I am feeling thankful and I am grateful that subscriber, because that person is always helping you grow. Feedback is a gift, right? Feedback is a gift. It shows you and your weak point and gives you a chance to improve. I also want to say that you should believe in yourself. Improvement takes time. I know improvements take a lot of time. It does not happen in a one day. So be patient, be consistent, and keep practicing. From today onwards, I am also going to work seriously on my pronunciation. I will practice daily. I will listen more carefully and I will try to improve step by step. And I want to I want you to join me in this journey. Let's improve together. Let's support each other and let's not laugh at a mistake but learn from them. If you are watching this video and you feel shy about speaking English, I just want to tell you, start today. Okay, start today. Practice daily. Slowly, you will see improvement. Confidence comes with practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So, don't wait for the perfect moment, for the perfect time. Start now. Once again, I want to say that I am very thankful to all of you. Your support, your feedback, and your encouragement mean a lot to me. You are the reason I am improving. Sorry, you are the reason I am improving every day, every single day. Please keep supporting me, keep guiding me, and keep sharing your honest feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate your time.